Listen.
Hey Fashion One, today to Montreal. We are on the set for a shooting and we passed the day with one good stylist. Let's see what stylists do it for a photo shoot.
Listen.
Okay, do you like the result?
Yeah, I actually do, dude. I didn't see it. That's cool.
Basically, when I say like we have some stronger ones, like this is one where you kind of all are in the same space. But then when you go like, for example, some of them we lose some of you guys. So like some of them, like it's not the same intensity. Like you guys are thinking different thoughts.
Okay, Dinesh, I would like to explain to me what's your creativity behind this shooting.
So basically we're still continuing with like playing with themes of like, you know, like religion and like kind of, I don't know, British schoolboys.
Okay.
But then this is more like an evening look. We're kind of trying to make it a little bit kinky but like boyish at the same time. So like the first one was like the fruits and the books on top of each other, and then the second one was kind of like a little bit more like, I don't know, Mormon, you know, Mormon-y, like very kind of religious, and then now it's more kinky. So it kind of like, this is more evening. Before it was kind of midday, and then when we started it was kind of like the start of the school day. So we're progressing into like the group shots, where we start mixing and matching. So we're gonna do this black, and then we're gonna try to alternate and maybe do whites or colors, or, you know. But the idea is like always building up on the last shot. Okay. So this is a bit more deconstructed, but it's kind of still the same idea where it's innocence and like kinky. Innocent and kinky, sexy at the same time. The contrast of the two.
The result is very well. It's also like kinky and sexy.
And sexy, but innocent and clean. So they look a little bit more expensive. Okay. But still fun.
Now, do you have another shoot with this, or you just change?
We're gonna maybe switch them up, but do it with less black. But kind of try to get the same kind of feel, but maybe less black.
so funny. You have an inspiration behind this?
It's oh yeah, there's always an explanation. It's fashion, but I guess from the evening. Hold on, boys, let's go. Keep playing with each other. Okay. I can't let them go for a second.
No, it's
they
okay.
start to play around. What the hell is that? Can you not? No. No.
Rich, can you go behind them?
Guys, levels. Pictures are about levels.
Okay, well, wait.
I think, what are we doing to these? Are you going to do them like... We're going to do... Probably going to change the background into some sort of pastel. And then for... What are we going to do anything to the bodies? I think they're going to be in black and white.
Okay, nice.
I think they're going to go with the portraits that we just did. I think, because we just did the really close-up ones, and I think it'd be nice to do like a group shot. Whether or not we use it, but I think it's, I like it's dynamic, I think. I don't know how though, we'll figure it out.
But I love this. I love, like you say, the dynamic with the tree model, and when you change the model for...
Like create, like, because we're going from inspiration shots, and a lot of like what menswear, when they do bodies, it's very like muscle, like just
Yes.
so I think the key is to like always make it look, like I said again, innocent but like fun. So like this is supposed to be kind of a little bit homoerotic, but like very not at the same time. But I think by doing different shapes and stuff, you like take away like, you know.
Yeah, we didn't fix the eyes only on the swimsuit and the body. It's just together.
Yeah, and it's
you have
like,
something.
That's why we're trying to get different shapes or something that makes it a more interesting picture, like more than just like a naked guy.
Okay, let's see the picture.
Can we wash out their underwear and make them naked?
Well, Farhat has fun.
You know, to be stylist, you need to be very original. I think this is shirt for woman, you know, and I love the color. But okay, what's the next? What are you looking for?
Well, the next, we're kind of keeping it how it was, the whole provocative look, but we're just gonna go light this time because the previous look was dark, you know, in the grayish, blackish. So we're keeping it still provocative a little, you know, masculine but still out there. But we're going light, maybe a little whiter, and so you're gonna still see some skin.
So do you know exactly what you take for each model? You didn't decide yet?
No, I haven't decided yet. So we're just going like, you know, through the clothes. We're gonna see what we're gonna put on them, and we'll just it's a trying, you know, try this, try that, and if it works, it works.
Listen.